I'm Gary Peterson with Domino North America. When the team at SG360 shared with us their vision to create a world-class installation to increase their customers' flexibility and quality of output, we felt right away that the Domino K600 would allow them to achieve those goals. With our system's high-quality output, simple design, energy-saving LED curing, and automated features, we were able to seamlessly integrate into their significant investment in new insertion equipment. Make a visit to their Wheeling plant. You'll see right away that SG360 means business.
Here at SG360, we like the Domino K600i so much that we actually bought 8 of them.
We were seriously going to go with Busgrow. That was our choice based on our investigation with the other vendors. And if it wasn't for Gary Peterson in the last minute coming in and then us reviewing the capabilities of Domino, it really made us change our mind. SG360 is an unbelievable company. We have a lot of great people, and our growth has been phenomenal. Our customers are always giving us challenges, and we've risen to the occasion. It's just increased our amount of business because of that. Our markets that we serve is pretty wide, primarily retail, but we do pretty much everything. Airlines, entertainment, healthcare, tobacco, automotive, and it's very, very widespread. They really count on us to be the marketing arm for them. The trends that are going on right now is more personalization, more information that's personalized throughout the package. In choosing to have personalization and imaging capabilities on our inserters, we needed to offer our clients the quality and the capabilities that Domino offered. Gary Peterson from Domino convinced us to go up and look at the equipment up in Gurnee, and that's what we ended up purchasing for our inserting department.
When SG360 decided to invest into pinheads to be able to use on our high-speed inserting, we had 3 options: Kodak, Videojet, or Domino. We chose the Domino when we went to the demonstration up at Gurnee at the Domino facility. One of the first things that we've noticed is the cleaning station. It was very impressive. It's easy to use and operator friendly. The UV unit itself allowed us to be able to print on different substrates. And the DPI of 600 by 600 was also a plus that gave us the confidence to be able to compete in the outside market. And as you could see, that at any given time we are able to run all 8 of them, and that shows how versatile and easy the machines are to work with.
One of the reasons why we chose Domino is in our looking at all of the options that we had, we decided that it was the best option for our clients and for our people. It's definitely one of the top companies in the world to do business with, so it's why we're where we are today.